Bus bar. This is a bus bar, the backbone of any electrical distribution system. It carries massive current through constant heat and vibration. When you use normal nuts here, they slowly loosen from temperature changes and electrical stress. That creates poor contact, sparks, and energy loss, even safety hazards. That's why engineers switch to crimp nuts. They lock tight under heat, resist vibration, and maintain a solid electrical connection without loosening over time. No retightening, no failure, no downtime. Your power stays stable, your system stays safe, and your maintenance cost drops. For every critical connection, Crimp Nuts hold strong. Want to know more about our Crimp Nuts? Contact Webber Crimpex today and get the right solution for your machines.